Welcome back to a new section on the story of human evolution. While the hominids and the hominoids got evolved and share certain common features, though there are two different groups known as hominids and the hominoids. From where did they come? These two are the subgroups which originated or got evolved from the primates. Now the hominoids are having smaller brain than the hominids. So hominoids have smaller brain when compared to the hominids. They are quadrupeds. They walk on four but with the flexible forelimbs. The hominids and the hominoids have certain differences. One, the hominoids have smaller brain than the hominids. So who has the larger brain here? The hominids have the larger brain here. In the same way, the hominids used to walk upright posture on the bipedal locomotion. You can see here as he can walk on both the feet. But earlier they used to walk on four limbs. Those people are the hominoids. These people, hominoids, used to walk on four quadrupeds, while the hominids, in contrast to the hominoids, they have the upright posture and the bipedal locomotion. These are also marked differences in the hand which enable the make use of the tools. So they also have differences in the hands because they have flexibility for making use of a tool. The two lines of evidences suggest an African origin for the hominids. Now who has a larger brain? Hominids. Who can walk on bipedal locomotion? Hominids. Who can't walk on the bipedal hominids? That is the hominoids. Similarly, there are evidences about the origin of the hominids for tracing it to African origin. First, it is a group of the African apes that most closely related to hominids. So there is a relation between the apes and the hominids. The second evidence what we have is the hominid fossils belong to the genus of Australopithecus. So we also have traces, we also have evidences like the hominid fossils belong to the same group of Australopithecus. Australopithecus is nothing but a southern ape. A Latin word, austral, means southern. Pithecus means ape. So a southern ape, the same thing is coming here. African apes, southern apes have been found in East Africa, which can be dated back to 5.6 million years ago. So now we are moving slowly close by to the years, like from 36 million years ago to 24 million years, now to 5.6 million years ago. In contrast, what we are finding it now is outside Africa are also there are no older than 1.8 million years ago. So even if you are trying to find some fossils, it's out of Africa, they are also not older than 1.8 million years ago. So everything making us to look back towards Africa to trace the origin of the human evolution. Now moving on to understand the evolution of hand. As you can see here, the evolution of the hand, this is the precision grip for a chimpanzee. This is the precision grip for a chimpanzee. How the chimpanzees used to have the grip. Then the B option shows us how the power grip of the human hand. How the power grip of the human hand used to look like, and the C shows the precision grip of the hominid. So you can see here clearly how precisely they are able to catch. While here you can see there is some gap, and here they are holding it with the whole palm, while when it comes to the hominid, he is able to hold it with the fingers directly. So this development of the power grip probably is preceded the precision grip. So as you can see, the hands who got evolved from A to the hand grip of chimpanzee to the hand grip of human hand, and then it got more precision grip with the hominid. That's how the evolution process continued. That's all we have in this module. Stay tuned. We'll catch you in the next one.